Hey guys, I'm going to be discussing the new project I'm going to be starting, but before I do, a quick announcement. I just created a Facebook page where I'm going to be posting my videos and also some exclusive content in the future. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys could come to this URL, and I'll put it in the description as well, and give it a like and a share. And feel free to post and ask questions on here. I kind of want to make it a place where we can just discuss stuff. All right, so let's get on talking about the project itself. Now, we're going to be creating a calculator, but not just any type of calculator, a RPN calculator, which stands for reverse Polish notation. So this is a special calculator that I actually prefer using to regular calculators, and I've made this application before using Android. I made an Android app like this, but I want to recreate this with React Native and make it nicer. So this is the basics of what it looks like and how it's going to look, at least kind of. We might change the design a little bit. And if you're not really sure how this type of calculator works, I'll link the Wikipedia page that discusses it. But the basic way it works is you input your numbers. So here's a number here, and you basically input your numbers and then you say what operation you want to happen on them. So for example, I entered 56 and 45. Now I can say what operation I want, whether it's division, multiplication. So I can say I want to add them together, and then this pops here. And notice when I click enter, it goes up in the stack. So notice how 101 is now here. I can enter a new number, or I can just add them together and it pops here. So whatever I have up here and here, they're going to do math. And the cool thing about this is it stacks. So that's why I called it stack calculator. And so you can have multiple operations. So it'll just going to do operation on these two. So times, and then notice how 202 popped down here. So pretty cool. But you'll get used to this calculator as we build it. And I want to focus this tutorial for beginners of React Native. I have done some pretty advanced tutorials in the past, so I want to take a little step back and target this towards beginners. So the requirement for this project, if you want to follow along, is just basic JavaScript skills, and also if you have at least looked into React. So we'll be starting from the beginning and going all the way to a finished application. And same format as the last project, I'll just be releasing a new video just about every day, and just keep adding on to the application slowly, and starting from scratch into a finished application. So that's the project, and we're going to put the whole thing up on GitHub so you can check the source code and follow along and code along. So that's it for this video, guys, and stay tuned tomorrow when we get started.